Hey, what's up? It's Birdy. Now, I don't know if y'all ain't tasted waffles with peanut butter, but I'm gonna tell you right now, they're delicious. So try them. I'm done with my waffles, but now with my orange juice. Orange juice is the best juice. If you disagree, put it down in the comments. 100 plus video ideas for any YouTuber. Okay, I'm just gonna watch the video and I might also need a jacket, so please step back. We're good. Currently, what I use to edit is this thing right here. I use this to edit. If you have the right editor, you can make some pretty good videos. In fact, this was edited on this. I actually use this app right now. This app, this orange one right here, this side. It's called Video Leap, and it works for a bunch of stuff. Like you can add text, you can add music, obviously. There's a version that you can pay for, but the normal version, the free version, is actually good. Like, it's still good even if you don't pay for all the extra stuff. You can press this orange square right now, and you can select whatever clips you have. I'm just gonna. You can also get stock footage, as you guys can see. What's actually cool, if you have audio files in your Google Drive or whatever other drive or whatever you use, you can export them straight to Video Leap as an audio file. Or if you want it easier, you go on YouTube, you screen record it if you're on iOS. If you're on Android, I don't know what you use to screen record. I think it's separate apps. Still, so you screen record the music, and then you go to Video Leap, and you press on it, and then you go to Mixer, and you can go to opacity to 0, and you will only be able to see the actual footage, like the A-roll. So yeah, screen recorded the music on YouTube. You press on the music you want to add. You go to Mixer, and you go to opacity. You press that, go to 0, and your music will play over whatever clip you have. You can edit the like how loud the music is and your clip is with where it says audio, and you just put the volume up. Yeah, the main part of a video. It was actually getting a little bit windy outside, but what I was trying to say is music can make or break your video, and it's one of the key parts of what you make. Music can break your video or make your video. Yeah, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing, and jingle bells ring. Right now, this would be good as B-roll. It's a little sunset. Oh, and if you want to do a slow motion or fast motion or a time lapse, you press your clip, you go to speed, and you go up, or you go right if you want it to be time lapse, and you go left if you want it to be slower. Right now I'm gonna make it faster time lapse, and as you can see, it is a bit faster. You can add stickers, text. They have their own sound effects you can put in your videos. It's not actually there's a bit, and you can do voiceovers. You can put filters onto your main clips. There's a lot of stuff that you can get if you actually buy the app. I think you have to buy per month or one time pay is, I don't know how much it is for one pay. I'll see in a bit. You'll see on screen if I find it. You can also, as you see, add effects. You can add glitches like CRT, and it adds that. Or you can press adjust and actually color grade your video. They also have another app for photos, but I don't use that one as much. For photo editing, I use Adobe Lightroom, and it's a dumbed down version of actual Lightroom, but it works pretty well. You can edit a lot of photos. If I have a couple of photos that I edited on there, I'll put them right here. But you can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, offset, temperature, tint, hue, and vibrance. You can reverse it, and it'll go from, instead of start to finish, it'll go from finish to start. Like right now, it is doing its thing. It's a success. See, you know, the clouds are going this way instead of that way. You can also duplicate your clips, remove your clips. You can split your clips and make them shorter by touching the frames of the clips. You can also add animations to your mixer videos, as in the ones on top, like the ones on top where you can, where I put my music. Well, it's not mine, but that's what you can also add chroma key. I would not do this because I don't know how to use it correctly. I think the chroma key is for green screens and that stuff. The mask is for if you want to. Here, let me do it. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. I need to put the opacity up first. It cuts it in half. See, the chroma key did that, and it used the that color as a green screen. It doesn't have to be a green screen. It can be a black screen, white screen, blue screen, any color screen. Like, yeah. And you can also, I need to do this fast because it's really cold and I'm trying to get back inside. You can arrange. I think that's if you have more than one clip. I don't know what that is actually. Duplicate, remove. You can mute the clip completely or change pitch. I don't know what the change pitch does, but I've seen that it changes the pitch. Like it actually changes something when you're my hands are red. When you do slow motion as an equalizer. Oh, and what I used to shoot video is this G7X Mark III, and I don't know what's wrong with the mic. It's flipped down, and this little mic, you can just plug this into the side of the little cord aux thingy, the mic hole. And I also use this Gorilla Pod right here. I used to use this Joby Gorilla Pod or Joby Tripod or whatever you want to call it. Some people like it and some people hate it. It has these little balls that can latch onto stuff when you bend them like this. I actually have it like this. This is my setup right now. And yeah, that is what I use to edit and shoot my videos. I currently can't feel my hand right now. So yeah, I think that'll be the end of today's video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want more videos, just comment down below that you want more videos, and comment down below what type of videos you guys want, because I cannot find ideas for videos. And as you saw, I had to see a whole video to see what to do for this video. So it's been nice to meet y'all. I'm gonna go freeze, and so that'll be it.